Money management is one of the most important life skills, yet schools never teach us how to handle money properly. And that's why so many people struggle financially even after earning well. The first step to mastering your finances is understanding where your money goes. Track every expense, big or small, because once you can see your money clearly, you naturally start controlling it better. A simple method you can follow is the 50-30-20 rule, where 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and investments. Even if your income is low, always save something for your future. Build an emergency fund with at least 3 to 6 months of expenses, because life is unpredictable, and having a backup fund protects you from stress during tough times. Controlling your spending habits is equally important. Avoid emotional buying. Avoid buying things to impress others, and always ask yourself whether you truly need something before spending. But saving alone is not enough. Your money needs to grow, and that's why investing early is essential. You can invest in mutual funds, SIPs, stocks, gold, real estate, or index funds, and even a small, consistent monthly investment becomes huge over time due to the power of compound interest. Stay away from bad debt, especially unnecessary loans and credit card bills, because good debt helps you grow, but bad debt destroys your wealth. Always try to build multiple income sources instead of depending on only one job or one skill. Freelancing, online business, content creation, trading, tuition, affiliate marketing, and digital skills can all become side incomes. The best investment you can ever make is in yourself. Learn new skills, gain knowledge, read books, take courses, and understand finance because personal growth directly increases your earning ability. Finally, set clear financial goals. How much you want to save, what you want to buy, and when you want to become debt-free. Because when your goals are clear, your decisions automatically become smarter. Always remember, financial success is not about earning more, but about managing what you already have wisely. Start small, stay consistent, and your future self will thank you.